Across the valley today, we were hot, but it's cooling off now. Look at this, readings back in the 80s, but it's not going to get much cooler than that because look at the dew points. Mid to upper 70s, 78 Port Isabel right now, 76 Weslaco, 71 Rio Grande City. Put the muggy meter to work and it's showing an average of about 73, but that's actually going up as we speak. So it is a warm and muggy night across the valley tonight. Look at tomorrow. Probably as hot or hotter than today in many areas, over 100 from about I-69C westward, 103 in Rio Grande City. East of that, 90s for the most part. The beach, cooler but more humid at about 89. Now the next few days, you can tell we're settling into the dog days of summer. 99 tomorrow as an average high, and then an average running at 100 for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then Tuesday, yeah, cools off, but still stays above average at about 98. So a slight chance of showers in there for the middle part of next week. But really what's going on is skies have cleared over most of Texas tonight, courtesy of the big ridge sitting to the north. We talk about these ridges, and that's just warm air in the upper atmosphere. So if a cloud tries to grow, it can't because it runs into warm air. So it stops growing. You don't get any rain. So there's usually not much rain under these highs. So wherever they are, everything kind of goes around it. So you see stuff coming into the south, but it goes off to the west and northward from there. And the ridge just kind of meanders around. We are on the edge of it. That's the one thing we've got. We're not up here in the middle. We're down here on the bottom, and a shower could get kind of, you could sneak into that. So that's why we're keeping that 5% chance in there the next couple of days. But by the weekend, the high kind of exerts its influence a little more, and then we just end up dry and hot, and we just stay that way. We don't see that breaking. We just stay dry and hot all the way into the weekend, into the first part of next week, and not much change really. Long-range models do kind of break the southern side of the high down just a little bit, allow a little bit of moisture to sneak up in here, so our chance of rain goes back up to 5 to 10% for the middle of next week, but we're talking 5 to 10%, not 20, not 30. A very slight chance for the middle part of next week as that ridge kind of hangs tight and really rules the weather over the valley the next few days. So you can see we're either 5 to 10% or dry. So for the most part, count on dry conditions for the next few days. One of the reasons it's dry besides that ridge is the tropics are very quiet right now. Nothing in the Gulf, nothing in the Caribbean, nothing in the Atlantic, nothing. The Pacific side is active, but that doesn't affect us. In fact, all the stuff on the Pacific side staying in the ocean, nothing anywhere near land at all. So tonight mainly clear, mainly dry, southeasterly winds. Tomorrow back to 99, mostly sunny skies, southeasterly winds continue. 99, then some hundreds, and we just got to hold in that 100-degree range all the way through the weekend into the first part of next week. By Tuesday, Wednesday, only 98. Nighttime lows hovering right around 80 or so. Summertime, it's here. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.